body to body relation.
Huh?
Body to body relation. Um, not soul to soul. I mean body to body. Without that,
Hmm. 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 Yes. Yes. Most of the relationships are saying into body to body, right? अभी तक soul to
yeah.
soul हुआ ही नहीं है. We have not yet reached that state where relationships can be maintained through soul to soul. But have you seen today? I was talking about a child. Have you seen a child? How innocent a child is. Especially they say till puberty, na, a boy child or a girl child till puberty, their lower chakras are closed, and lower chakras they contain all the past lives, karma, vrittis, negative thoughts, and all these things are stored in the lower chakras. So you will not see too much of criticality in children before teenage, because they are very godlike. If you see child a child will smile at everybody. जिसको भी देखता है, आपने देखा है, most of the child, some childs are like, and it's an age problem sometimes, at 9 months they start differentiating who is mine, who is not mine. That's our age again. ये सब, after all these age growths and everything is gone, you reach a point जहाँ पे the child, that's why, we teach our children, na, don't eat sweets from stranger, don't eat this from stranger. Why do we teach? Because a child does not have any understanding who is a stranger, who is not a stranger, who is a friend, who is an enemy. A child does not have any understanding. And this is the purity. And at that moment, because the child has still not opened the lower chakras, the child is actually very godlike. That is actually our basic nature, friends. God-like nature is like innocence of a child, where this child does not find any enemy in the world. Everybody is friend. Yeah. And for a child, बोलते हैं कि even in higher realms, after we die, and astral realm, there is no relation called husband and wife. Oh, you are my husband, you are my wife. In astral planes, there is nothing called husband and wife. There is nothing called father mother. There is now nothing called father and sister, father and daughter or son. कुछ ऐसा there is only one relation, that is relation of friendship, maitreya. There's no other relation in the astral realm. Everybody sees each other as just friends. And this is what I just, um, she has taught very beautifully, Ramya, that here in this world, it's all body to body. Relationships are all body to body. There is no relationship of the soul, you know. And to have a relationship of soul, you also need to develop the mind and heart of a soul, or become childlike. And I'm not saying that you have to forcefully do it. It doesn't happen because past life of so much of conditioning, karma. फिर in when you grow up with there is, I think,
Oh,
some mute. You grow up with so much of karma and conditioning and everything. Yeah, you are layered with beliefs, conditionings, so many things that you cannot open up and become like a child. You cannot feel like a soul anymore. So when you are not being able to feel like a soul, how will you develop connections soul based? It will be only physical based only, right? That's why, why we do therapies, why we do meditation, sometimes why we do all these social spiritual science, and also some processes are done during meditation, so that again this body starts going back to the understanding that I'm soul, I'm not the body. Anybody else wants to try? What is relationship? How difficult is relationship? Or maybe you have any question, or you are recently struggling and you want to say something on relationship. Give it a try. Because see, this is what has come up. Ramya has put up a very important point from which we have we have taken perspective. क्या है? So हम लोग last week we spoke a little bit about relationship, frequency, emotions, what you give out, you get back. So anything, no matter how bad somebody is doing something to you, if you are giving out negative emotions, negativity, you will get back negativity. This is the law of attraction, 100% sure. So that's why we have to be very careful. Yeah, though there should be ways of making sure that I start trying to find good things in that person so that I shift from that negativity to positivity. Or if I'm so caught up with, I'm not being able to tolerate that person anymore and something very bad has happened, then there's another way. Totally forget that person for that moment and focus on things that you love. So you have to always know that your way, because whenever you're focusing on good emotions, good frequencies, even if and love based emotions, things that you love, even if you are not thinking about that person or the problem, but because you are emitting high frequency, naturally the relationship also slowly gets solved because your vibrations are going high. And without even trying to solve that problem, you will see naturally, because you are emitting love based emotions, you are getting back love based emotions in the form of the relationship getting healed or something. So this we talked about in the last session last week, right? Today it is going then also, but here again it is talking about PET, capital P, capital E, capital T. बोल रहा है कि the toughest of the relations that we, the people who are giving the toughest of the problem. Easy तो people से हम इतना नहीं सीख सकते. Easy people, they give us a base जहाँ पे ठीक है, इतना हम दुनिया से लड़ाई करके आए घर पे आके तो थोड़ा easy people, थोड़ा प्यार मिलता है and everything, but they are actually not the teachers. Easy people, the hardest of the people are the teachers. You should be ready and you should be grateful for it, and you will see how much you can learn from the hardest of the people. यहाँ पे भी यही बोला गया है कि हम लोग हम लोग, why don't we take these people as PT, personal emotional trainers? They are training us to always choose love. These people are continuously training us कि can you choose, अब इतना difficult फिर भी can you choose. you know I've seen there are many, or the more you grow, you will see the struggles grow, because now it's so easy for me, as for example, it is so easy for me to accept people, love people, not see too much of. तो मेरे लाइफ में कभी कभी ऐसे इंसान आते हैं कि और एक लेवल लाइफ, मैंने इतना नेस्टी कैसे हो सकता है, कभी लगता है मुझे वहां पे भी. then again it comes back to the understanding that यहाँ पे this is where I have to open my heart even more. I should be able to love even this kind of people in my life, and that's why this person has come to train me. Okay, how can I even love this person and not expect anything from that person in return? Okay, मुझे reject ना करे, I will accept the person. I hope that person does not reject me. This is a condition. No, the person's nature might be to always criticize, reject, and all these things. Still, can I accept the person? So it is a continuous training. Different levels, हम किस level पे है हम सबको पता है थोड़ा बहुत. उस level का हमारे पास training आता है. So everybody is a trainer for us. That's why it is personal emotional trainer. Personal trainer के लिए हम कितना पैसा खर्चा करते हैं. हमारे जीवन में जो फ्री के इतने हार्ड people आते हैं, they are actually personal emotional trainers. हम वो भूल ही जाते हैं और कोसते रहते हैं कि क्यों आए हैं हमारे जीवन में. But they are bringing us back to this point of to choose love. Can I train myself to still choose love despite of this person being so difficult? Okay. So, every challenge is presented, so you will choose love and turn away from negativity and blame. This author is telling the same. So, some trainers may challenge you to judge them or others. So, every trainer will come you and they will trigger some emotions in you. It's not that they are bad. So when they're triggering, you see what emotion it is getting triggered in you, and you have to work on that emotion, not on them. Okay, so if they are triggering you judgment, you have started judging people, then you have to be aware of it. Okay, acha, judgment means I am emitting negative frequency. So because I am emitting negative frequency, I will get back more negativity in my more problems in my life, because it's cause and effect. Whatever you give out, you get back. You give out love, you will get back love. You give out negativity, you will get back negativity. So we have to be very aware of this fact that, am I judging? Oh, this person is triggering me to judge, but can I still not judge that person? Then we have to be aware of a lot of things. One is, friends, I told you, right? There is nobody else. And लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वेरी स्टिकी. इट डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड yes and no. इसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, यस नो, इसको ये नहीं समझ में आता है. आप बोल रहे हो कि मुझे बहुत पैसे चाहिए, मुझे बहुत पैसे नहीं चाहिए. इसको नहीं और चाहिए चाहिए, हाँ चाहिए में उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. यूनिवर्स ऐसा नहीं काम करता है. यूनिवर्स देखता है कि इट इज वेयर अटेंशन गोज, एनर्जी फ्लोज. कहाँ पे आप अटेंशन दे रहे हो. Okay? तो आप किसमें अटेंशन दे रहे हो. आप अटेंशन दे रहे हो उसके नेगेटिविटीज पे. So, so it is a, and it says that law of attraction is a sticky business. Next वाला जो point है, the author talks about law attraction is a sticky business. आप जिस चीज पे भी फोकस करोगे वो आप पे स्टिक हो जाएगा. आप अच्छाई पे फोकस करोगे, अच्छाई स्टिक हो जाएगा. आप नेगेटिविटी पे फोकस करोगे, नेगेटिविटी स्टिक हो जाएगा. Okay, so here it is talking about judgment. So, and what it is saying that acha, agar aap, instead of that, can you focus on, negativity, and it's not. So if you can't love the good in someone, so बोल रहा है, तो मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है, अगर if you cannot love that person, see good in that person. That is the fastest way. If you can focus on the good in that person and start admiring and appreciating, this will solve the problem fast. But नहीं हो रहा है, वो I am hating that person or not liking that person so much, then totally ignore. That's what it is saying. Simply turn away. Some trainers are test you provoking the feeling, and some trainers, these people, the author is calling trainers, they said some trainer will provoke you the feeling of anger, hatred, revenge. They are trainers, so don't attack the trainer. हम ट्रेनर को अटैक करते हैं, गुरुओं को हम पलकों पे रखते हैं, तो उनको नहीं अटैक करेंगे. अपने, अच्छा मेरे ट्रेनर ने क्या दिखाया है कि मुझ में ये है, मैं रिवेंजफुल हो जाती हूँ, मैं हेट करने लगती हूँ, ये करती हूँ, क्यों करती हूँ. वन इज फ्रेंड्स. दैट्स व्हाई आई से सम ऑफ दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट इजी. दैट्स व्हाई थेरेपी इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. कभी कभी इनर चाइल्ड ट्रॉमा इतना डीप है, आपको लगता है वो इंसान कर रहा है, लेकिन आप देखोगे कितने सारे इनर चाइल्ड थेरेपीज में निकला है कि आपने सोचा ये इंसान आपका एनिमी है, लेकिन जब इनर चाइल्ड करोगे आप देखोगे आप उस एक ट्रॉमा से, आप इस, यू आर, एक इमोशन आप में निकल रहा है. वो कोई कारण ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ ट्रिगर है आपका. वो इनर चाइल्ड के ट्रॉमा से बार बार वो इमोशन निकल रहा है. मे बी नॉट फीलिंग गुड इनफ, अनवर्दी, नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड, नॉट फीलिंग स्पेशल. लेकिन आपको लग रहा है कि इस इंसान ने मुझे रिजेक्ट किया, मुझे स्पेशल नहीं फील कराया, मुझे हेट किया. बट नहीं, इनर चाइल्ड थेरेपी से निकल आता है कि कहाँ से. सो देन इट बिकम्स, फॉर मी इट बिकम्स इवन मोर, आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दिस आई रियलाइज, ओ माय गॉड, मैं किसको ब्लेम करूंगी, सब कुछ तो मेरा ही किया धरा है. और मैं सिर्फ एक इंसान का एक ट्रिगर पे मैं वहां पे क्यों फोकस करने जा रही हूँ, मुझे ही फोकस करना है. बट अगर हम इनर चाइल्ड वाइल्ड नहीं भी करते, तो बेसिक चीज पे हमको तो काम करना है कि हमारे थॉट प्रोसेस को चेंज करना है. इमीडिएटली वी शुड शिफ्ट फ्रॉम, how to shift it. Focus on things that you like, love, instead of focusing on that person or thing. Hmm? So again, some people will activate that hatred, revenge. Some people will activate the feeling of unworthy and everything. You just have to be aware, okay, I am emitting negativity, so I'll get back negativity. So what is the fastest way I can emit positivity? Then you start finding ways. And I've taught you so many ways. Ho'oponopono, finding goodness in one person, in that person. So many ways. Or totally ignore and find good in life, in world. Start giving gratitude, what all you have in life. Shifting. This is called, thought shifting. Okay. So यहाँ पे somebody, Martin Luther King, it's quoting, hatred paralyzes life. Love releases it. Hatred confuses life. Love harmonizes it. Hatred darkens life. Love illuminates it. Hmm? So in my life also, I found friend, there were incidences in my life जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा था कोई एक प्रॉब्लम है, मैं उसको भूल ही नहीं पा रही थी, भूल ही नहीं पा रही थी, भूल ही. देन आई रियलाइज मैं इसीलिए भूल नहीं पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं उस इंसान को जज कर रही हूँ. जज और हेट्रेड इज द सेम थिंग, एंड बिकॉज इसको जज किए जा रही हूँ, वो प्रॉब्लम भी एक्टिव है मेरे लाइफ. The moment I dropped my judgment towards that person, I saw immediate shift कि वो प्रॉब्लम और प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहा, मेरे दिमाग में भी वो इफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है. So this is how, when we shift from negativity to positivity or love based emotions, this is how our life also shifts. Okay. So so it's and again it's saying it's the tough trainers who make you stronger and determined to choose love no matter what, but they are also giving you a message. So these are the tough trainers जो आपको चूज करने में बार बार को they are continuously pushing you to choose love no matter what that person is doing. Can you still love that person? Can you still accept that person? और लेवल और जितना दिन जाता है हमारा लेवल और capacity to also love and accept, even so many people hate Sadhguru, but have you heard any hate word? So many people, there are people who love Sadhguru, and there are so many people who also speak nonsense about. Same with Shri Ravi Shankar also. People will have different opinion from their own also. उनका level of growth जो इतना है उतना ही तो समझ पाएंगे एक enlightened master का master को. तो लेकिन कभी उनके मुंह से कभी देखा है? But they will always teach you, try to accept even the person who is hating you. Okay, that is true love. सदगुरु तो बोलते हैं कि डॉग है, अगर आप प्यार करते हो वो आप प्यार तभी दोगे जब कोई और दे रहा है. इसका मतलब है इट इज लाइक अ आप कुत्ता पा इसीलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हम लोग इसलिए कुत्ता वुत्ता पालते हैं क्योंकि वो तो कुछ नहीं करेगा इसलिए प्यार करना इजी है. बट आजकल हम शादी में नहीं जाना चाहते, बच्चे नहीं पैदा करना चाहते एक्सटेंड. क्यों? क्योंकि अरे कौन जाएगा इतने झमेले में, मेरा बात ही सबको सुनना पड़ेगा, देन ओनली आई कैन लव पीपल. देन इट इज ट्रांजैक्शन, right? So the greater your heart becomes, the more you grow into spirituality, you develop a heart where the worst of the people, they will do worse things to you and still you will have a certain kind of. Recently something happened to me. My husband was saying कि तूने बोला क्यों नहीं मुंह के ऊपर, ये इतना गंदे तरीके से तुमने बात किया है. Something happened, somebody was very nasty to me in public, and he was saying you should make that person know what that person has done. I said no, I am not going to do anything like that. I'm just working on myself. I'm working even in that fact that can I accept this person also. This is my training. I don't want to. मैं किसी को सिखाने नहीं जाने वाली हूँ तुमने बुरा किया तुमको ठीक करना है. नो, वो मेरा ट्रेनर है, मुझे भी अपने आप पे काम करना है, उस ट्रेनर पे नहीं काम करना. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज सेइंग. अगेन इट्स सेइंग दैट ये तो है कि आपको चूज करना सिखा रहा है, सबसे हार्डेस्ट पीपल आपको कंटिन्यूअसली इस एरिया में ट्रेन कर रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम ये आपको ये भी दिखा रहा है कि आप नेगेटिव हो गए हैं. If you have got affected by somebody's some reaction or something, that means your energy frequency has also gone down. If your energy frequency was high, you would not have got affected with whatever any Tom, Dick, and Harry. That's what I'm saying. This highly enlightened masters, why do they care a damn about what somebody does? Because they are so high in energy, it cannot penetrate there. Again, the next part will come. It's a field, magnetic field we create. The emotions create a magnetic field. So when you are feeling sadness, this and that is also creating a magnetic field. When you are creating joy, that is also that is a very strong magnetic field. Joy, high elevated emotions, love, and all these emotions. तब क्या होता है, कोई भी नेगेटिविटी पेनिट्रेट नहीं कर पाता है. आप इतने हाई इमोशन में होते हो, कोई कुछ भी फील करे आपको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बिकॉज then you have created a magnetic field and nothing will enter you. इसलिए बोलते हैं आई रिमेम्बर somebody was asking डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, बहुत लोग वो टोना टुटका ब्लैक मैजिक इन सब चीजों से बहुत डरते हैं, नजर लग जाएगी, ये लग जाएगी, वो लग जाएगी. एक बार डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी को किसी ने पूछा था कि ऐसा ऐसा, तो बोल रहे कि when you are filled with love nothing can harm you. दिस इज व्हाट शी मेंट. आपका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इतना स्ट्रांग है, कुछ भी घुस नहीं सकता है आपके अंदर. तो आपको टोना टोटका और नजर लगाना से बचना नहीं है, आपके खुद के फील्ड को स्ट्रांग करना है. एंड नॉट थिंकिंग नजर लगेगा इसलिए फील स्ट्रांग करना है. अपने आप को इतना स्ट्रांग करते रहो प्यार से, पॉजिटिव इमोशन से, वाइब्रेशन से, अपने आप आपका फील स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट दैट नेगेटिविटी अनलेस नेगेटिव फीलिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो you have to ensure that ये आपको, then it is a reminder. if you are getting hurt, it means कहीं ना कहीं आप थोड़े नेगेटिव, एटलीस्ट उस मोमेंट के लिए ही नेगेटिव हो गए थे, इसलिए आपको वो इफेक्ट किया है. आपको नेक्स्ट काम क्या है, आपके शील्ड को बढ़ाना है, आपके लव इमोशंस वाइब्रेशंस पॉजिटिविटी को, फीलिंग को बढ़ाना है, एंड देन इट विल नॉट इम्पैक्ट यू एनी मोर. Then friends, hmm, it is a sticky business. I told you, right? I've told you friends, it's so important. यहाँ पे ही बोल रहे हैं कि आप किसी भी चीज, because law of attraction is a sticky business. The environment, the universe does not understand this is what I want, this is what I don't want. The universe does not understand these languages. The universe only understand where are you focusing, and you are focusing on appreciating somebody. You are appreciating, that's what I was saying, when you are appreciating somebody else's wealth, huh, the universe, you are actually send you, because the energy, where attention goes energy flows, and this is where the universe understands, oh, you love when you are appreciating somebody's wealth. Somebody's kid has gone to Harvard, and you are, you are very happy for that person. Instead of just thinking mera bachcha ye kar raha hai, wo kar raha hai, you're happy and excited. Universe is thinking, oh, you want more of this. That means, okay, then you should also have, even if you're appreciating somebody else's wealth. But universe does not understand that. He understands that, oh, you are liking this. Oh, you should get more of this. You should get wealth. You should also, your child should go to good school and, study and everything. Because you, but again, same, the opposite. When you are discussing negativity about something, it is not understanding again. Okay, you are talking about somebody else, or you're talking about yourself, or you want it or you don't want it. It is not understanding. You are talking about somebody's negative character, nature, behavior. Oh, that is what you want. You should get that. So आपने देखा है, I've told you, have you seen that, something that you have really disliked and you gossiped and, hated about, even your spouse or somebody, few weeks back, months back, years back, you will see that you have developed the same nature in you. I told you, I think I told this story about a friend of mine, this friend of mine, she was in a very, itni shant type ladki thi when I was in England many years back, 18, 17 years back. I found this friend and she was my husband's colleague's wife. She was with me, and suddenly I saw the husband is here, the wife is not here, and she was my very good friend. तो मैं ना बहुत छटपट कर रही थी, तब भी आई वॉज इन टू स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस, ऐसी क्या हुआ, मुझे उसको खबर लेना है, वो ठीक तो, एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आफ्टर आई थिंक 1 or 2 years she came back to her husband. So, and then, I had this, I was trying to ping her. She was not picking up the call. And finally we made it. So then when she shared that she had TB, and because of TB and everything, she was sent home. And after that, her husband didn't want to bring her back to him. And so many things, there's so much of thing. Finally, they came back together again. But इस बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि she's saying, Sanjukta, previously when people used to shout or fight loudly, I used to judge people thinking, "ये क्या यार, like you don't have any civic sense. You're fighting like, and everybody's listening and sab kuch sun rahe hai, you're shouting and fighting and all these things." I used to think like this. I used to judge people who used to fight and get angry so much. Sanjukta, I've become the same person, she told me. आजकल ना मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ वैसे ही झगड़ा करती हूँ, वैसा ही चिल्लाती हूँ, वैसा ही वो सब करती हूँ. So, at that time I didn't know the signs, but when I have read all of it, this it also comes under 7 Essene mirrors. Maybe this science comes one day when I'll take 7 Essene mirrors. You will again find the same logic coming, and it's the same. The sticky business. You have judged. You have focused on that. The universe said, "Tathastu, तुमको भी यही मिले, यही nature, यही character मिले." So that's why it's so important to be very careful about what we want to stick to our body, our soul. Okay. And friends, negativity, gossip. We one of the main reasons why I have stopped gatherings, very frequent gatherings. Anyways, it's a way of a yogi. A yogi does not go for frequent gatherings just for nonsense, just for chats, just for this. Yogi stops. It's been years I don't do it. But what happens is that is it's like, we are women. Gossip hoga hi. And you know what, when we give out negativity, it's like gossip is, you are giving, it's an again a negative emotion. Somebody is giving out negativity. When you are gossiping, you are giving out negativity, you're thinking negativity. Judgment is also, you're giving out negativity. What are you going to get back? You will also get back negativity in so many sorts. Even the relationship, आप कभी कभी आपने देखा है, किसी के बारे में आप बहुत गॉसिप कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ आपका रिलेशन अच्छा था, लेकिन गॉसिप करने के बाद ना कुछ हुआ, उसके साथ आपका रिलेशन खराब हो गया, क्योंकि आपको लग रहा है कि उसको तो कुछ सुनाई दे नहीं दे रहा है, उसके बारे में बोलते ही रहते हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कुछ तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, लेकिन देर आर वाइब्स, there is karma, there is what you are giving out. You will see the person, you might be thinking it's a harmless, मजा आ रहा है, ही की करते रहते हैं, और फिर वहां पे जाके मैं फिर उसको दिखाऊंगी मैं तुमसे कितना प्यार करती हूँ। यार, everything is vibes. People understand how much you love, how much you hate that person. And even not that, according to karma also, because you have done a karma of talking against that person, the person will stop disliking, will stop liking you. Then you can say, मैंने तो, कभी कभी होता है ना, have you seen this is a very funny thing, many people, मैंने ये एग्जांपल देती थी कि हम बोलते थे मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया अपने सास का, पता नहीं मेरी सास क्यों मुझे पसंद नहीं करती है। ओके, मेनी पीपल हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम। आई सेड, तुम दिमाग से क्या कौन सी तीर छोड़ती हो अपने सास के लिए? मुंह से तो कुछ नहीं करती हो, लेकिन दिमाग से कौन सी तीर छोड़ती हो, थोड़ा एक बार उस पे ख्याल करो। Okay, so we have to be very careful, friends. We think that nobody is noticing. Only where the things where I'm very soft, nice, and all these things, वहां पे ही count हो रहा है, बाकी कुछ नहीं count हो रहा है. Karma happens in words, thoughts, actions. Karma only doesn't happen in action. With my mother-in-law, the problem is that all my sister-in-laws, they are busy in making sure that they, मेरी mother-in-law को एकदम एकदम, माँ आपको क्या चाहिए, माँ आपको ये दूँ, सामने सामने, in front of her. It's always like this. The back is a totally different story, might be. But for me, it is like, this is what I am. You accept me in this position, and I will give you all the respect that you need. So thankfully, so I sometimes feel, like many people have same struggle with my mother-in-law, and I say, why do I not have any struggle with my mother-in-law? And she today also she called and she's saying, you take care of yourself. Panna, my husband is gone. Now you two are alone. She again said, please call me, okay, frequently and all this thing. This is the relation I have with her since so many years, you know and like I can give you multiple stories, because I always have made sure that I am always checking on my thoughts. you know I don't just check on my words. I see how am I feeling towards my mother-in-law. What am I, as that's why you say कि don't go into that thing कि मैंने तो कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा है मेरे मदर इन लॉ का, मेरे मदर इन लॉ ही मेरे साथ बहुत खराब बर्ताव। नहीं, क्या आप अपने मदर इन लॉ को अपने मम्मी जैसा देख पा रहे हो? पहली बात वो भी एक क्वेश्चन है। You don't have to treat her like total like your mother, but at least give her that kind of place. You have got this husband because of this mother-in-law. You would have never got a husband because if there was not this lady. But we love our husband but hate our mother-in-laws. Let me just. Yes, Shubhra, you can just share. It's also the expectations that we have from them, the way we accept them the way they are. Absolutely. Can we accept them? Dekho, this is so beautiful. Shubhra, you have you have again pointed another very important point. अपने पेरेंट्स कितने एज हो गए हैं, पेरेंट्स कितने परेशान करते हैं हमारे खुद के पेरेंट्स ही। क्या हम उनको नहीं एक्सेप्ट करते हैं वो जैसे है वैसे? हाँ, some they are growing old, they are growing senile, कुछ भी करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, कहाँ पे भी डांट देंगे, कुछ भी कर देंगे। नहीं नहीं, हम ये ऐसा ही खाना खाएंगे, तुम्हारे जैसा नहीं खाएंगे। हमारे साथ कितना होता है ना, मेरी मम्मी बोलती तुम बहुत स्पाइसी बनाती हो, हम लोग हल्का खाते हैं एवरीथिंग। यही चीज मम्मी मदर इन लॉ बोल दी, बस खत्म कहानी। यू नो So the beauty is to really accept everybody, not just mother-in-law, to everybody. Can I just accept that? Again, it comes back to the topic of Ramya. Can I see that person just as a soul? And if you remember the process that I did, oneness meditation, you know, what is this person, even this mother-in-law, what is she longing for? Instead of thinking, उसने मेरे साथ ये किया, ये किया, ये किया, ये किया, can I ask myself, What is this soul longing for years, not just for years, maybe for births, this soul कुछ हुआ है उसके साथ, कुछ अधूरा सा, that soul is needing something, but maybe, you have seen so much of trauma during childhood from our parents only. So imagine this soul, so maybe the soul has never even received motherly, fatherly love completely. And we want this soul to love us like a mother, right? So when we look at that person not as a body, but just as a soul, who is this? Who is this life? What is this life? What does this life want? What is this life longing for? मैं कुछ दे सकती हूँ इसको? क्या मैं दूं ना, लू लेने का क्यों कोशिश करूँ? Can I give it? उस पे फोकस करो ना, Can I give it? अच्छा, एक स्माइल चाहिए शायद मदर इन लॉ को, स्माइल दे देती हूँ। या फिर अच्छा, मेरी मदर इन लॉ को सिर्फ ये सुनना चाहिए, मदर इन लॉ आप खाना मुझसे बहुत अच्छा बनाती हो, आप ये चीज ना बहुत अच्छा बनाती हो। अगर वो यही सुनना चाहती है, सुना देती हूँ ना, थोड़ा क्या जाता है क्या जाता है मेरा।
Can I speak?
यस राम्या।
But what if they won't treat both the sons and both the co-sisters alike? Like
That is
we'll
that
get
is
some.
yeah, that has nothing to do again with the mother-in-law, darling. When you get into this spiritual science, you will understand it also comes from your husband's past life karma.
Because my mother-in-law, she behaves differently with my husband and me, but
Hmm.
with my brother-in-law and his wife, no, she behaves differently and
हाँ
continuously bully me. Generally, in front of my husband, she will be very
हाँ,
sweet. If we go
the bully
somewhere,
also,
he will
yes,
act
yes.
very different, very weird, like that. I used to cry also. She will twist my hand. She will take into a bedroom and she will lock the door and she will say blah blah blah. So many she did. Then everything. Like I don't
Hmm.
have any impression in my mind on her generally. Only
Hmm.
action I will do in front of her. Really, I'm saying.
Okay. No, there is, I know, understand. This can also happen, yes.
Yeah.
So let me come to the first point is like me and my brother, okay? So I've also, during family constellation, they say that there is most of the fights after the parents' death or during the parents' time also, most of the fights happen between the siblings because of property. Have you heard that? देखना, सब कुछ ठीक है अगर ड्यूरिंग लाइफ ऑल्सो नहीं होता है, आफ्टर दे डाई देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फाइट बिटवीन सिबलिंग्स, ओके, कि उसको ज्यादा मिल गया, उसको कम मिल गया, इट्स नॉट जस्ट योर हस्बैंड, मेनी फाइट्स हैपन ओनली बेस्ड ऑन दिस, कि my parents, I think that that sibling is taking away more of it, or my parents gave loved that sibling more, मुझे थोड़ा कम दिया and everything. So we have to understand that from when we go to our so again, according to ancestral lineage, past life karma, I only deserve this much from my father and mother, and he deserves this much from my father and mother. This is through deep meditation and understanding of the science of family constellation and past life, you will finally get to understand कि मुझे इतना ही deserve करना है, because of my own karma, this is all I will deserve, and this is all the my today afternoon only, today afternoon, or I for some reason today, yes, my brother, my brother yesterday, I was talking to my mother. She said, your brother is only talking about you, that for Didi only I got saved this time. Didi did so much and everything. I was saying that, yes, I can see my brother loves me so much. Mm. But at the same time, I was seeing that maybe this will always continue, because I have been trained in such a way that someday, if my parents are not there and the property gets divided and my brother gives everything and I don't get anything, I will still love my brother equally, because that I will understand that this is what I deserved. मुझे इस जन्म में, because of my past lives karma, family lineage, there is a lot of signs, I understand this is all I deserve from my parents, even if it is just, you know a little, just one gold coin that I get from my parents, and that's all they have given me. This is all and if my brother has got houses, everything, and still I will, I have been trained in such a way that I will say thank you, mama and papa, thank you so much that you have given me this gold coin. And I'm so glad, my husband, without even all this knowledge, he's like that. because my husband's parents, my father had one shop, and from there something happened to his father, and he fell sick, and all the brothers came in, and now there are multiple shops. So in one way you can say from that shop only the money grew to so many shops, right? So you can make so many logic that I want equal partition. Even if I'm not there, I should get a little bit of you know and they are buying lands, they are buying so many properties and everything. My father-in-law only gave a few lakhs to my husband before dying. I remember some many years back, just a few lakhs, and they have crores of property there. And my I have never heard my husband once that they they have not given me my share, or maybe one land, house land I will take, because he understood this is what his life from the past life, and this is what he deserved. So this is an understanding with it will not come, and this is what I have. This is one. Okay. Second is, Ramya, you're saying that she twists your hands. Okay, she does this. Ramya, if you have an imprint of a fearful person, if you're always fearful, you will attract
Yeah.
not just your mother-in-law, you will attract husband, you will attract mother-in-law, you will attract bosses, you will attract wherever you go, you will find dominating people who will only scare you. The day you will say, no, you have no right to touch me, or you have no right to talk like this to me, when and it's not acting, heart, a transformation comes when you develop the courage. That is the day you will see a transformation in the outside world. We always think about transforming the external world, but external world is a reflection of your own mirror. You are not that courageous. You are fearful, you are timid, but you are expecting, you know I've seen so many cases jahan pe, when the father was dominating, this person grows up to have a dominating boss, dominating wife, dominating husband, everybody is dominating, and then you are complaining that the world is bad to you. But you are not understanding that the lesson that you had to learn was to be assertive, not also fighting. There's a difference. Assertive is a proper word to combat domination. Assertive, I don't like, this is my boundary, you will not cross the boundary. If needed, I'm okay to call even the police. This is how, even if it's not fight, main dikha dungi, I will call this, no. But when the power comes, na, the real power comes in your life, you will see, this is how you will say, and people will suddenly can sense that power in you, and they will think twice before speaking to you. Okay, it has nothing to do with the mother-in-law. And you have seen, right, Ramya? Multiple cases, same repetition, fear. So then where is the problem? The problem is not outside, the problem is in you. Then why do we need to blame the mother-in-law?
Mm.
Okay. So yes, so this is what it is talking about. And then finally, so gossip. And again, it is saying that if you gossip also, you are going to get the gossip back. So even if you don't gossip also, sometimes we feel, मैं तो gossip नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ. But whenever you're listening to a gossip also, it means your vibrations are going low. आप gossip अच्छा feeling के साथ कभी नहीं कर सकते हो. Then that is a rapture feeling I told you. That's not a good feeling. So whenever you're gossiping, your vibrations are going low. So anyways, that means you're emitting negativity. Even when you're not gossiping, you're listening to gossip, and that's what you're going to get back. So gossip means you cannot say, oh, I don't gossip, but I have to be in the group. Let me stay in the group. I will not talk. It doesn't happen. You have to shift. You have to shift the group totally, or those days when they are gossiping, don't meet, or just do something where so that you are away from gossip. And it's how to come out of this negative emotions of people is when you have become negative towards anybody, is to be aware. The awareness is the first key. That first, agar hum aware ho jate hain, I'm thinking like this towards my mother-in-law or my boss or something, at least you are aware. That is the first step. That will help you to now find ways, how, what can I do? Then only you will be trying, right? ways and means to come out of this negativity. If you're not even aware, many people in this world are continuously gossiping without even being aware that they are spreading so much of negativity. So being aware is the first point. Okay, then that's what it is saying, that simply being aware that you have reacted negatively takes the power out of the negative feeling immediately and can even stop them. But if you feel as though the negative feelings have a grip on you, it is best to walk away and spend a couple of minutes looking for the things you love, one after the other, until you feel much better. Again, it is talking about the same thing. Focus on something which you feel good. Okay, so let's now meditate. Anybody wants to share anything or have any question? So what we are going to do is that we will do, this is what I'm saying, that we will do an inner child